All right, boys and girls, welcome to Girl Guitar Beabadoobee. What a cool name. All right, it sounds like she just dances through life with a smile on her face. Probably not, but that's how it sounds like. Anyway, Beabadoobee, Ever Seen, that's the title of the song. All right, so it fits guitar very well. So if you like her song, her style, and all that, then yes, grab a guitar and let's take a look at Ever Seen. All right, we're gonna play this one with a capo set here on the first fret. That is the absolute best scenario for us. So with that, we have 4 different chords to handle. Let's take a look at the chords. We're gonna start with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the F. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret. With the index finger, you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have A minor next. So A minor is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the G. And that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, so let's learn the strumming. We'll work with that through the entire song. So grab the C, that's the first chord, and one string around will be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna play the first 2 downs. The first down actually will be played on the bass strings, and then the next down and everything that follows there is played more in the higher string or mid area. So down, down, up, down, up. That's one string around, and a couple of rounds to get the feeling here for the rhythm goes. So we're ready for the song, and it actually starts with the chorus. So that is C, 1 string around, F, 1 string around, A minor, 1 string around, and G, 1 string around. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds, and after that 3 rounds, you're gonna stay with the G, play an extra round of G. Okay, so C, F, A minor, G for 3 rounds, and then after you finish the 3 rounds of that chord progression, you stay with the G and play 1 extra string around on that one. It goes like this. I think I slipped on a chord there actually on the A minor anyway, and maybe I played 1 extra round for you there, not sure, but anyway, 3 rounds of C, F, A minor, G, and then you play 1 extra round on G. That is the chorus, and after that comes the verse actually, and the verse is still with the same strumming. You're gonna play C 1 round, F 1 round, C 1 round, F 1 round. If you look at that C, F, C, F, for 1 chord progression round, then you will play that for 4 rounds. Okay, so back and forth with the C and F, 4 rounds of C, F, C, F. It goes like this. I gave you 2 rounds of that, so you're gonna double up and play 4 rounds, and that is the verse play. Then go back again and play the chorus. This time you play C, F, A minor, and G, 1 string around per chord, but you play for 4 rounds instead. And then after that, you stay with the G and play an extra round on the G. I think I have to play it for you to really nail this time, this chorus, so let's do it together. right? And then after this second chorus, you go to the second verse and play that in very same way, C, F, C, F for 4 rounds. After that second verse, you go back and play the choruses, and you're gonna actually play 2 choruses right after each other, both number 3 and number 4. So you're gonna play the C, F, A minor, G for 4 rounds, and then you stay with the G that comes not only for 1 extra round, but for 3 rounds, okay? So in the final round, you're gonna play the C1, F1, A minor 1, G1, and then you add 3 more rounds on the extra G. Then you go back, like I mentioned, you're gonna play 2 chord progression rounds in the same way after each other. So you go back and play the final part of this song, and that's the 4th chorus. You're gonna play now the C, F, A minor, G for 8 rounds, okay? So really stay there with C, F, A minor, G, 8 rounds. And after you finish the 8th round with G1 there, then you're gonna stay and add the G for 4 rounds. So the G just continues there till the very end of the song. And that pretty much covers Beabadoobee's Ever Seen. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and I know she has a lot of following out there, so perhaps you are one of them. And if you are, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. She will be back for sure. And yeah, give this tutorial a like if you wish. Till next time, play tuned.